Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest solutions that can bring your cursor back in just a few seconds. First, while you are inside the game, press the Escape key on your keyboard. This opens the Roblox menu. Then close the menu again and check if the cursor reappears. This is one of the fastest fixes and works for many players. If that does not help, press Alt and Tab together to switch to another window. After that, click back into Roblox. Sometimes the game loses focus, and this simple trick restores the cursor immediately. Another method is running Roblox as an administrator. Right-click the Roblox player icon and open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and enable Run this program as an administrator. Then apply the changes and reopen the game. If nothing works, completely uninstall Roblox and reinstall the latest version from the official website. Thanks for watching.